guys, welcome back to my new video. Welcome to my channel. So today I will tell you about lightning, thunder and earthquake. My name is Ayush and you are watching my channel. So let's get started. So today I will tell about lightning, thunder and earthquake. So first I will start from lightning. So lightning is a rapid flow of electric charges through the air between two oppositely charged clouds seen as an instant spark of electricity in the sky in the light is called lightning. So this you can understand by seeing this concept. This is a this is a negative atom and this is a positive atom. So the oppositely charged atoms always attract each other, while the same atoms always repel each other. That you can see in this plus and minus and minus. As you can see that the base of this cloud is of negative charged atoms and the ground is of positive charged atoms. That is why here the electricity is happening. Lightning, sorry. So always where is the great impact of lightning? So lightning has a great impact on higher places. For example, tall buildings and tall trees. Harmful effects of lightning. A lightning strike generates a huge amount of electric charge. The lightning bolt has a temperature of about 30,000 degrees Celsius. It can cause the following effects. It can cause fire and shatter buildings, resulting in a lot of destruction and damage to the property. It can burn trees and also cause forest fire. It can kill animals and human beings instantly. Okay. And then comes the lightning and thunder. Now, you have been observed that when lightning occurred, we hear sound after lightning strike. Do you have noticed that why is the thunder comes after the lightning strike? So if you know, then please comment it or I will tell you. So the answer is it is caused as the speed of the light is 29 crore 97 lakh 92,458 meter per second. The speed of sound is just 343 meter per second. That is why we hear the sound late as its speed is slower than the speed of light. Now comes to the lightning conductor. A lightning conductor is a device which fixed on the top of a tall building to protect them from the damage due to lightning. So I will explain it clearly. This is a lightning rod and it is put on a tall building's roof. It has sharp spikes at the end so that if the light strikes in it, the whole electricity should go in the ground through this ground rod and the earth will absorb that electricity and the house will have no damage. Advantages of lightning. Yes, lightning has disadvantages but some advantages also. Lightning plays a major role in regulation of nitrogen cycle in the nature. It fixes atmosphere nitrogen to the soil. Ozone layer in the atmosphere absorbs harmful ultraviolet yani ki UV rays. Ozone layer is caused due to lightning discharged. It is believed that lightning played an important role in the evolution of life on the earth. Earthquake. Now comes to earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden shaking of Earth's crust which lasts for a few very sorry I have mistaken here which lasts for a very short time. It is caused by the disturbance deep inside the Earth's crust. The energy stored in the Earth's deeper layers over a long period of time is suddenly released usually in the form of strains in the rocks resulting in the earthquake. So now I am showing you the interior of the earth. So I am showing this as before understanding how earthquake occurs you need to know about the earth's interior. So this layer where we live is called the crust. And then comes this layer. This is mantle. This is outer core and this is inner core. It is the innermost part of the earth. As you can see here, I have also written. So now I will discuss about the difference between the layer of the earth. So position of the layer crust. Outermost crust is the outermost layer, and mantle is the central layer. Core is the innermost layer. Thickness. Crust is about 5 to 10 kilometer thick at the ocean floors and about 30 to 50 kilometer thick and at length. Now comes to the mantle. It's not that type of mantle. Ah. So it extends up to up to the मैंने फिर से गड़बड़ कर दी इधर sorry. It extends up to 2,900 kilometers from the base of the crust. It extends up to the depth of about now comes to God. It extends up to the depth of about 6,360 kilometers. Composition. Crust. It is mainly consists of rocks of lighter substance. Until it mainly consists rocks of iron and magnesium. Now comes to core. It mainly consists of iron and some nickel. State of matter. Crust is basically solid. Mantle is little bit of molten, and the core is more outer core is molten, but the inner core is like a solid ball. Causes of earthquake. The main causes of earthquake are movement of tectonic plates, volcanic eruptions, dislocation or faults of the crust, underground nuclear explosion.